Alright guys, we got a gallon in. Let's go with our 2 quarts. Takes about 6.9. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of it. Made a little mess already. Half a quart left. Clean that. So we ended up using the whole thing. Before 7 quarts. Check our level. I don't know if y'all guys can see it, but it's about good right there. Looks about good right there. And we should be good. Put this bad boy in there. And that's it. Clean up your mess. Put the cap on. Don't forget to put your cap on. Give it a little clean. There too. A little messy. Brand new. And that should be it. Y'all give it a like if y'all like the video. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep posting more videos about Rams. And y'all stay tuned.